I got another Craftsman. That one was a fail, so I ended up going with a snap-on 30-gallon air compressor. About to get this thing unboxed. Alright, so it comes with your manual air filter. Bolts for the wheels. Looks pretty nice. Hopefully I don't have any issues with this one. Got your pressure gauge, regulator gauge. Alright, so we back. I got the wheels installed. Air filter on. And I'm doing a 220 volt setup. Make a run, was it 220 and 120? Well, end up using a 220 volt. About to let the thing build up, see how long it takes to build pressure. Alright, so it shut off in about 5 minutes. Filled all the way up. No leaks. Nothing. So this one finally a success. The first two was a fail. Both of them was Craftsman on the first one. One was just missing the whole filter assembly. The second one was just leaking from right before it went back to the what's it called? The regulator. But end up going with a snap-on one, and that's pretty much solved my problem. Like, end up working on the first try. Yeah. All right, that's the end of this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.